How to make a contribution to your account. One of the best features of the Bright Start 529 College Savings Plan is how simple it is to make contributions. Whether you prefer the convenience of contributing online or the traditional paper method, there are several flexible options to help you grow your savings. To make a one-time or recurring contribution online, Step 1. Log into your Bright Start account and click Contribute. Step 2. Select your contribution type and the beneficiary account you want to contribute to. You have the option to select Mail a Check to print a pre-filled form and mail it with your check, or continue with the online process. Step 3. Enter the contribution amount. Select whether it is a one-time or recurring contribution and the bank account the funds are coming from. Step 4. Enter your bank account details, review, and submit. That's simple. To contribute by mail, download and complete the additional contribution form under the Form section on brightstart.com. Enter the account information and contribution method on the form. You can send a personal check, bank draft, cashier's check, or teller's check. Enter the contribution amount, then sign, date, and mail the completed form along with the check to the address on the screen. Please note that some forms of payment are not accepted. These include cash, starter checks, money orders, traveler's checks, credit cards, and convenience checks. With so many ways to contribute, Bright Start 529 can make it simple to grow your savings in the way that works best for you.